Welcome to the Astria Campus Management System, or ACMS, a secure, scalable platform for managing your entire academic journey. To begin, first search for your university within the system. Once you locate your institution, select it to access the university login portal. After that, enter your assigned user ID and password to securely log in. Once inside the platform, you will be taken to your personalized dashboard. From there, you can easily register for classes, access your e-courses, review academic information, and manage your wallet and payments, all in one place. In the academic section, ACMS gives you full control of your learning journey. Quickly view your enrolled courses in My Courses, register for classes in Class Registration, and track your attendance with Attendance Register. Download your exam slip anytime and request your official transcript instantly by entering the recipient's email. ACMS keeps everything efficient, secure, and easy to manage, so staying on top of your academic life has never been simpler. Astria Campus Management System, simplifying education one click at a time.